Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel. Our first video will be on making your own comic by me. So let's start with the theme. Which one do you want? Like a theme of a guy playing piano, or like a fairy tale or something else. But the first thing what you need is a paper. I took 3 if you want to make a real book. And a colored paper, A4, like this, or anything you found. And a ruler, pencil, eraser. Okay, let's get started, guys. So, let's start with the characters. So, the first thing is, when you draw characters, you must do it the easy way, like this. Look. So this is how you draw your own comic character. It's kind of like this. It's supposed to be a circle. Yeah. It's a bit like this. And then, when you do your panels, you have to do it very neat by using your ruler. A bit like a 9 centimeter, or just do it your own way. So normally it's supposed to be 9, but I changed it to 11 or 12. Approximately 11 or 12. And then, be careful to not touch the edges. So technically, do not touch the edge. Only if you can do it like this, like directly by just doing squares and rectangles. Like, so there's one here, you can do another one of the same here and put both squares as a rectangle in the middle and put the same of what you did before. And then, we'll see you next week or next time. Bye, Comic Cool.